Hi everyone. Synopsis of financial management. A very lengthy topic, finished off in a very nice manner, and we are starting with the synopsis part. So, first comes the meaning of financial management. Meaning says procurement and usage of finance. So, we know that what is financial management means. It means procurement and usage of finance. Next, what we have is objectives of financial management. What are the objectives of financial management? It sums sufficient availability of funds, utilization of funds, maximization of owners' wealth, and safety of funds. So we have sufficient availability of funds, utilization of funds, maximization of owners' wealth, and safety of funds. Then we have three decisions: financing, then investment, and dividend decision. I'll start with the investment decision. Meaning of investment decision. It talks about meaning of investment decision. It talks about long-term assets and short-term assets. Then it talks about the factors affecting investment decision. There are three factors affecting. One is cash flows, that when we talk about inflow outflow. Second, it talks about rate of return. Third, it talks about investment criteria. So these are the factors affecting investment decision. Next we start is with financing decision. Financing decision talks about quantum of owner's fund and borrowed fund. Mera sentence form acronym out here. Market position for cost consideration. Market as in state of capital market. Position as in cash flow position. FOR capital, F as in flotation cost, O as in fixed operating cost, R as in risk, C as in cost as it is, and the other C is for consideration, is for control consideration. So market position for cost consideration is financing. One, it is talking about cost consideration, that whether you should choose owner's fund or borrowed fund, and the sentence also, the acronym is related to the same. We come to is dividend decision. Dividend decision, we have two options. If you remember, we did the flow chart. I talked about DD and no DD. DD is declaring dividend, no DD is not declaring dividend. So for that we can use retain the investment, that is retained earnings. We can talk about is retained earning, and when we talk about retained earning, that is we are not declaring dividend at that time. So this kind of short form has been used for retaining earning. Now, here I have used an acronym called DO as star 3C. Do as star, D as in dividend, stability of dividend, O as in growth opportunities, A as in amount of earning, amount highlighted, S as in stability of earning, stability, S highlighted, S as in shareholders preference, shareholders highlighted, T as in taxation policy, taxation highlighted, A as in excess of capital market, so excess, or rather excess not of, access to capital market is better sentence, access to capital market, so excess highlighted, R as in stock market reaction, reaction highlighted, 3 C's. Now 3 C's are: first, cash flow position, so cash highlighted. Next C is legal constraint, constraint highlighted, and next is contractual constraint, so the contractual C highlighted. I'll highlight it with another color pen. Cash out here, constraint out here, and contractual out here. So do as star 3C. 1. Second, market position for cost consideration. Next, CRI, cry. Next, FID for the decisions. Objectives, sums, and definition goes as in procurement and usage of finance. Alright. Next point is financial planning. Financial planning meaning is funds requirement and funds availability. This is the definition. Then there are twin objectives. We write out here twin objectives. First is to ensure availability of funds and do not raise funds unnecessarily. So we can make it as AU. You will remember this as AU. This is being used, a lot of it is being used in media these days. So financial planning is funds requirement and funds availability, and twin objective is that, and to ensure availability of funds. So it is A for availability. I picked up availability out here. Do not raise resources unnecessarily. I picked up U out here from AU. Then the importance, when we talk about importance of financial planning, then we have a little difficulty, since making of acronym was not easy. So what I did, I made a kind of sentence formation for this. So forecast and cover. What did I do? Forecast and cover shocks and surprises. Coordination, link, resources continuously to evaluate. Forecast is the first point, shocks and surprises is the second point. These are the headings which we have given in our previous video on importance of financial planning. So I picked up those points so that you people remember it easily. Forecast and cover shocks and surprises, coordination link resources continuously to evaluate. Next we talk about is capital structure. Capital structure, there are 14 points and learning them was very difficult, so I have created a शायरी out here with meaning. सिर्फ इंटरेस्ट की हो जब बात, इंटरेस्ट कवरेज रेशियो, सो वी टॉकिंग अबाउट इंटरेस्ट कवरेज रेशियो आउट हियर. ओके, सिर्फ इंटरेस्ट की हो जब बात, प्रिंसिपल अमाउंट को भूल गए आप, सो दे डोंट टॉक अबाउट द प्रिंसिपल अमाउंट. डेट सर्विस कराए याद, डेट सर्विस कवरेज रेशियो, डेट सर्विस कराए याद, रिटर्न ऑन इन्वेस्टमेंट बनाए औकात. वाई? बिकॉज ज़्यादा है तो बेटर है. कैश फ्लो पोजिशन मिलाए हाथ, कॉस्ट ऑफ डेट इज गुड व्हेन लोअर दे बिकॉज टैक्स रेट एक्चुअली मेक्स इट चीपर. कॉस्ट ऑफ इक्विटी की हो शुरुआत, फ्लोटेशन कॉस्ट को ले लो साथ. रिस्क है भाई कंट्रोल करो, I forgot to underline the word control. So रिस्क है भाई कंट्रोल करो, ज़्यादा फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी मत रखो, रेगुलेटरी फ्रेमवर्क से डरो, स्टॉक मार्केट कंडीशन पे कॉन्सेंट्रेट करो, कैपिटल स्ट्रक्चर अपना बनाओ, कॉपी कैट मत बनो. क्विकली एक बारी समझते हैं दोबारा से. सिर्फ इंटरेस्ट कवरेज की हो जब बात, प्रिंसिपल अमाउंट को भूल गए आप, डेट सर्विस कवरेज रेशियो कराए याद, रिटर्न ऑन इन्वेस्टमेंट बनाए औकात, कैश फ्लो पोजिशन मिलाए हाथ, कॉस्ट ऑफ. Now till here you have done some of the points. Here's a little break. Cost of debt is good when lower because tax rate actually makes it cheaper. Cost of equity की हो शुरुआत, flotation cost को ले लो साथ. रिस्क है भाई कंट्रोल करो, कंट्रोल करो, ज़्यादा फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी मत रखो, रेगुलेटरी फ्रेमवर्क से डरो, स्टॉक मार्केट कंडीशन पे कॉन्सेंट्रेट करो, कैपिटल स्ट्रक्चर अपना बनाओ, कॉपी कैट मत बनो. This is for capital structure where you have to make choice between debt and equity ka mix when you talk about the mix of debt and equity. Now when you talk about financial leverage and when you talk about the numerical to do with it, that is not to be revised in the synopsis, that has been done in detail in the video, so you have to just take care of it and watch it repetitively to learn the formula, the working process as well as the conditions related to it. That cannot be done out here. Next is synopsis about fixed capital. I have made a short form out here. Again, it's an acronym out here. No cup dal. मम्मा ने बोला आपने क्या खाना है, दाल खानी है, तो बोला नहीं मम्मा कपा नूडल खानी है, नो कप दाल. आई डोंट वांट कपा दाल, आई वांट अ कपा नूडल. ओके, सो नो कप दाल, नो कप दाल. N for nature of business, O for scale of operation, then C is for choice of technique, U is for technological upgradation, then U is for technological upgradation, P is for again growth prospect, D is for diversification, A is for again financing alternatives, L is for level of collaboration. I'll repeat it for you. N for nature, I've underlined nature out here. O scale of operation, operation underlined out here. C as in choice of technique, C underlined out here. U as in technology upgradation, U underlined out here. P as in growth prospects, prospect, P underlined out here. Then D as in diversification, this is complete, underlined out here. A as in alternative, underlined out here. L as in level of collaboration, so L underlined out here. Okay, next we talk about is working capital. Working capital has C, no, SPA or PIC. C as in business cycle, I've picked up cycle, C out here. N as in nature of business, so I picked up the name and no same as out here. So N for nature of business, so that you remember the common points, nature of business. Then O as in scale of operation, operation O out here. S as in seasonal factors, S out here. P as in production cycle, P out here. A as in credit availed and credit allowed. Different points are there, but I picked up out here. A is 2 times, so you can write here A square. O as in, again we're talking about operating efficiency. R as in availability of raw material, we're talking about raw material. P as in growth prospects, out here also it is P I have taken out here is again when we talk about this point, growth prospects is out here, right? So same point out here, and I as in inflation, C as in out here level of competition. I've taken C for competition. So and then see here, see the 12th point is for cycle. So we have C no spa or pick, and this is no cup dal. I think fixed capital and working capital is clear to you. We've talked about fixed capital, working capital, capital structure, financial planning. Management of fixed capital we've missed out, so I'll just write it out here for you. Management of fixed capital. In case of management of fixed capital, there are just 4 points. So one is huge funds or large amount of funds. So we can talk about huge funds. Second is irreversible. Third is it long term growth it talks about. And last is risk involved, right? So management of fixed capital, we can always talk about it like this. Management of fixed capital, it has huge funds, it is irreversible, long term growth, and R as in risk. So we can take it as a short form. We can take we can take here H, we can take I out here, and we can take R out here, and we can take T out here. So we can make it hitter, right? We can make it hitter. So that's how H as in huge funds, I as in irreversible, T as in long term growth. I've taken T out here, and R as in risk. So this is what, see, we just made a acronym out here, management of fixed capital. So we finished with everything. I hope you enjoyed. Please, for your numerical of financial leverage or trading on equity, go through the video, because it cannot be done out here, and there is no process of learning that has to be practiced thoroughly. 6 marks question. Rest where a lot of factors were involved, I've picked up in proper synopsis. I hope you enjoyed the video and have happy learning. Enjoy yourself. Bye bye. Ta-ra.